In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to edit a PDF on Windows. First method is to edit a PDF with Microsoft Word. One of the easiest ways to edit a PDF is to use Microsoft Word. This will convert the PDF into a Word document, allowing you to freely edit it. However, you can't edit the PDFs if you don't have a Microsoft 365 subscription or haven't purchased a product key. To do so, open the Microsoft Word and click Open in the left side menu and find the PDF you want to edit. Word will prompt to convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK to start editing. After editing, click File, Save, or press Ctrl S to save the PDF. In the Save As window, select PDF as the file type. The second method is to edit PDFs with Microsoft Edge. You can also edit the PDF in Microsoft Edge. However, you're limited to adding text, highlighting text, commenting, and annotating the PDF file. So, launch the Microsoft Edge and import the PDF by dragging and dropping it to the browser. Use the Tools to Top menu to add text, highlight text, or annotate the PDF. And when you're done, press Ctrl+S to save the edited PDF. You can also edit a PDF in Firefox or Chrome using the similar methods, or there are some online free platforms that can help you edit PDFs online like PDF2Go and Sajda PDF. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.